Alright, well, the lighting in my garage is really not great this morning, so, but I'm taking a quick handheld video with my phone before I get the ring light I acquired set up to see if I can fix this, because I made a fix on the bottom of my camera. The threads in the tripod mount were getting chewed up, so I got one of these, or I got a container full of these 1/4 to 3/8 assorted adapters for tripods. I had to grind the tip off so that it would fit in flush on the camera, and then as you can see, I cut one side off so that the battery door will still open, and then I put JB Weld, that's what the gray is, in there, and let that set for a couple days. And then we had to rewire the generator box. So as you can see, all the switches that were across the front and the 2 switches that were up here to attach the meters are completely gone. I wired straight through from right to left. The motors each go straight through the rectifiers and then across a bank of smoothing capacitors and out to plugs now. So the power goes straight out of each one and I have to move the plugs. And then I built a harness to plug in the meters. So each of these cheap meters I got, they're $10 like Harbor Freight super cheapo meters. This harness is the current harness for measuring amperage, and this is the voltage harness for measuring voltages. So the plug pigtails can connect onto the generators and go through the meters, and hopefully today we will get the ET1 to successfully power all of the engines off of the generator box on this generator right here. So I'm gonna put the ring light and my camera up and see what we can do with that. I guess since we were talking about my camera setup, here is the ridiculous spacer I had to put in to get the ring light plug in, and then the connector up on the bottom of my camera. So that is all the way down to the tripod. An exciting setup.